I'll guide you through how to sell on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your web browser and go to www.gumroad.com. At the top right corner, click on Login. Log into your account if you already have one, or create a new account if needed. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, scroll down and look for Create Your First Product, then click on it to get started. Give your product a name and select the type of product you'd like to sell. Scroll down to set the price for your product. Then scroll back up and click Next to continue. Here, you can write a description that attracts customers and clearly explains what you're offering. Enter a custom URL so people can easily find your product, and upload a cover photo or video to grab attention. You can also add thumbnails to make your listing more appealing. In the product info section, fill in the details according to what you're selling, and if you have other versions or variants, you can include them in the version section. When everything looks good, go to the top menu and click on the content section. Then upload your files. These can be photos, videos, or written content. Once you're ready, click Publish and continue at the top right. Next, go to the Share, scroll down to select a category that fits your product, and don't forget to add relevant tags to help more people discover your work. After saving all your changes, head over to Products to view your new listing. That's it. Now all you have to do is wait for customers to find your work. Thanks for watching.